little bit about your situation before entering the program? Any details as far as challenges or barriers that you may have faced?
Yes, I recently was employed at East Staffing before I came to your program. I worked for them for about a year. So I seen there wasn't no room for growth and they kept you at a minimum wage job, so I was looking for something better. So as I had a public aid appointment at the aid office, they introduced me to the program. And once I went through the program, I found the program that was closer to home. So, and I looked through a couple programs and I was like, North Lawndale, that kind of rung a bell to me. So I'm like, okay, I'll try this program. So she sent the referral out. North Lawndale contacted me, and that what had me here today.
Alrighty. So did you have any fears or concerns about entering the program?
So once I went to selecting everything I wanted to do, I was like, hey, why not give it a shot? So I stuck with it, I stayed in the program, and so it was a growing experience to me, and I loved it, the people that I was around. Okay. And they make you feel like you're at home, you got a good environment.
Okay, what would you say to individuals that may have that same fear or doubt that you once had before coming through the program?
I would say give it a try. And if you don't like it, then you don't. But the people that try and want something out of life or want to get certified in anything, this is the place to be, North Lawndale Employment Network. They gave me a great start. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, so don't be scared. All you got to do is participate. They there for you. They got your back 100%.
Throughout your training, throughout the program, what was the most helpful part?
It's like you meet so many people, you have so many coaches and meeting the instructors. It's like the job readiness and the training and the motivation that I can say Mr. Derek Sanders from North Lawndale, he really inspired people to, you can do it. You can believe in yourself.
Other than the training program, you had the opportunity to complete your paid work experience. How was that experience and how helpful was that part?
Well, through my paid work experience, I learned a lot about being a porter, and North Lawndale put you through a 10-week paid program that you get experience whereas you can go out in many fields. So I was a porter in my field. I enjoyed, going to work, coming home, going to work, going to school, going to work, going to job training. Like as my coach right here, Miss Fisherline, she's also helping me look for a job. Like my instructor, Jawan, he's helping me look for a job. And plus myself, you have to be ready for this. If you ain't ready for this, then don't waste people's time. That's all I can say about this. But if you're ready, North Lawndale is the place to come.
So from your experience of the program itself, what are your plans for the future?
My plan for the future is give me a permanent, better job than I ever had in my life. And then one day own my own shop like my diesel mechanic training teacher have won, and helping others as well as North Lawndale has helped me. Once I got here at Fast Lane Automotive, one changed my whole aspect on how mechanics should do and what a mechanic should do.
So why don't you walk us through what, it's just not just changing pads on a car, it's
right.
A lot more than that. So walk us through it, like how would you expect a brake job?
How would I expect a brake job? First I have to find out which brakes are going out, which ones are scrubbing or rubbing or something. Secondly, I check the roller and see if it's gone bad. Fast Lane Automotives will get you set to be a mechanic if you really want to be a mechanic. And I thank Warren for that, and I thank everyone at North Lawndale too. It's been a great experience. I'm not done yet. Like I say, I got to get my CDLs and then my ASE.
Alrighty.
And once I'm done with that, then I'm moving forward to something better. But as long as the doors are open here at North Lawndale for me, I think I'll be here.
Thank you so much for your participation, for your motivation, because you have definitely been a monument for other, candidates, other participants that have been interested in this sector. And you may not think people are watching, but they definitely watching and have nothing but great words to say about you. And I look forward to, continuing these phases of getting you where you aspire to be.
From my experience, if you really want to do it, you can. You really can.
I appreciate that genuine response.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.